Morning everyone. Right, I'm just coming on to show you the last look at the feathers that I've been making. They're all finished now. I just got to decide what I want to do with them. These ones at the bottom I've just put the beads along the bottom. And I'll leave the link to the video where I showed how I did them for anybody that's not seen or wants to have a look. But they are super easy to make. I just love all of them. These are my least favourite, I think. You have to let me know which ones you like the best. But they're so pretty. These ones are from the faux handmade paper that I did the other week after I'd seen Noet's video. I want to make some more of that. I might do that today actually. And apart from these, the rest of them are from my painty papers, either jelly printed papers or stenciled papers, just painty papers. These ones I just put just one little bead at the bottom, threaded one little bead on the bottom, then just curled it over just to stop the eyelash trim. And I just started at the top, left a tail, started at the top, wound it down the bottom, wound it round and threaded it. Well, that one I haven't, but most of them have threaded it through that hoop just to keep it there, and then wound it back up and tied it in a little bow. I love it. I've got quite a lot of eyelash trim. Anybody that knows me knows that I've got a bit of a fetish for eyelash yarn. I just love it. It's just all fuzzy and lovely. Now, this one I'd got from a car boot. This one here is what my lovely friend Linda Pierce gave me. This one, it's greens and oranges, and it's greens and orange papers and sequins that I'll put on that one. Oh, I just love making these. These ones are pretty neutral. They was on metallic. I'd used metallic paints. Oh, sorry for the lighting. Oh, what it must be like to have perfect lighting to do videos. You hear so many people say, sorry for the lighting, sorry for the lighting. It's a pain in the bum, it really is. I left those ones plain, just put the... I put beads all the way up the stem and fuzzies on. Excuse me. These are probably my favourites. I don't know, these pretty ones and the handmade paper ones. This eyelash trim I'd got from a car boot in a big bundle. So yeah, I think there's a couple of these that have got, oh, probably just one then, that's got the beads on the bottom. I love them. I think in the summer I'm going to probably, when I do my sitting outside crafting, I'll probably try and string them together or something, and thought I might have some hung up in my bedroom. I don't know whether I'd be clever enough to do a dream catcher and put... I've thought about doing a dream catcher for, well, a few years since I sort of first saw tutorials on Pinterest. I think I've probably seen them on YouTube as well, I don't know. Anyway, I'm talking twaddle, so I shall get off, and just thought I would show you the final look at the feathers because I said I was going to, and they're just super fun to make, and I've used some things up, which is great. So thanks very much for watching. Speak to you soon. Take care. And I forgot to show you, these were the beads that I've been using. I get them from the range. They're about, I think they're about £3.99 or £3.75, but I think that is such good value, and they do them in, you know, different coloured sets. I've got a couple of packs of these, but there's loads in them, and they're just ideal for this thinnish wire. So that was all. Take care, bye.